In this video, you will learn that how to add analog gauge meter library to the Proteus. You can download this library from the link provided in the description. So let me open it. So here you can see two different folders. One is library and other one is model. So open the library folder, copy this file, and now go to the desktop. So here you can see the Proteus icon. Right click on it and then go to open file location. So from here, go one step back to the Proteus 7 professional main folder, open it, and here locate the library folder. So here you can see the library folder, open it and paste the library file over here. So here you can see the analog gauge meter are pasted here. Now close this and go back to the library folder. So here you can see the analog gauge meter library folder, open it, and this time open the model folder and copy the model file as well and paste this in the Proteus. So right click on it, go to open file location, and now from here go one step back and here locate the model folder now. So here you can see the model folders, open it and paste the file over here. So here you can see the gauge meter also added. Now close this and open the Proteus software. If you have already opened it, close it and reopen it again, otherwise it will not upload the latest libraries. So open it. And now here search for the analog gauge meter. So here you can see the two different analog meters. So let me click on any of the one, double click on it. Now click it and click on OK. Let me zoom it. Here you can see the analog gauge meter. So you can connect it with Arduino or different kind of electronic circuit. So this was the method of how to add analog gauge meter to the Proteus. The library link is available in the description. You can download from there. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to it. Thanks for watching.